news for crypto investors. Profits from the sale of cryptocurrency prior to April 1st, 2022 will be taxable as capital gains. And Varun is joining us to explain more details of this story.
That's right. Hi, Malika. So yeah, such profits will be taxable as capital gains, and taxpayers will be entitled to avail themselves of a host of exemptions under the Income Tax Act. Now, why has the ruling set prior to April 1, 2022? This is because the amendments brought into the Income Tax Act through the Finance Act of 2022 imposed a 30% flat rate of tax on gains from the transfer of virtual digital assets such as Bitcoin. Now, it was also stated in the amendment that no deductions will be allowed against the proceeds from the transfer of such assets. Now, the ITAT has held that Bitcoin, despite being a virtual asset, is still a capital asset, and therefore the gains from the sale of Bitcoin will be classified as capital gains and not income from other sources. A classification under the capital gains head basically means that taxpayers are allowed to avail a host of exemptions under the Act. Now, the ITAT has categorically said that the amendment pertaining to the taxability of virtual digital assets introduced by the Finance Act of 2002 is prospective in nature and would not be applicable to cases where profits have been booked prior to April 1, 2022. Now, experts believe that the tribunal has clarified that the 2022 amendments did not change the fundamental nature of virtual digital assets, and as a result, Bitcoin could be considered a capital asset even before the introduction of the amended regime.